How's it going? Brian here from GaniFit, and today what I wanted to share with you was some tips that I had for you along my winter side hustle, which was just kind of like shoveling snow. All I have is a shovel. I don't really have a snowblower or a truck, so I can't really drive around and remove people's snow really fast, so I kind of had to use a shovel that my family already has. And the good thing about it is it didn't really cost anything at all to start up. It only took like a little bit of effort making it like an ad on Craigslist and stuff and knocking on doors, which I didn't really do as much. I probably would have had a lot more customers if I did. Kind of what I want to share with you first is the ad I made, what I did to like draw people's attention to it, and you know how you can make a little bit extra money whether it's winter or summer or whatever time of the year it is. Whatever you feel like doing, it doesn't have to be shoveling snow. It can be like, you know, it can be cutting grass or something that's like another winter or a summer side hustle more, or raking leaves or whatever. Just a good way to make some extra money. And I made a little bit under $500. We got like some snow, like some of it was a lot of snow, some of it was like a little bit most of the time. So only made about a little bit under $500, like I said. It might not sound like a lot, but the extra $500 does really help, especially if you only have one job or something and you know it's not paying that much. $500 is awesome over a couple months. So the ad I laid out was pretty much just like, I put down a couple bullet points of like people's feelings. Maybe you don't want to go out and in the cold and shovel your snow, or maybe you want to spend time with your family, or maybe you just want to relax by the fireplace or something. And I kind of just like use those type of little tactics to get people's head thinking, oh, how would I feel if I'm relaxing in my house, rather than putting on a few pairs of clothes, going outside and wasting, you know, maybe 30 minutes or even 2 hours of my time, depending on how fast you shovel your snow or whatever. It just gets into like the feelings of their head. You show how you're going to provide them value, and they're going to give you a call or text you whatever you want, just because, you know, most people don't want to be outside in the cold. Most people want to be where it's nice out, or, you know, cutting grass isn't as bad, but, you know, a lot of people just don't like it because you end up having to take a shower after. Whatever you're doing, put like the feelings of people saving their own time, because time is so valuable to people, and saving like their own energy, or you know, spending time with family. Like I said, those things are so important to people's lives that, you know, if they're like saving time and spending time with their family or something, they'd rather be doing that than shoveling snow, cutting grass, raking leaves, whatever it is. And yeah, you just like want to dig into people's feelings and provide them value, show them the value you will provide them, show them the time you'll save them. You're gonna make money doing it. That's the second part I want to put up, is like, you're probably doing it to make money, and you know, the extra money is awesome. It's like pretty simple. The only hard part is, like I said, putting in like the effort to make the ad. And you know, if you're gonna go door knocking, that's something that I don't really have much experience with. There are people that can show you how to do that and stuff, but I'm not one of those people. I just really put up an ad, and that's where most of my clients came from and customers came from, is from an ad on Craigslist, which it literally took me 10 or 20 minutes to make it and kind of like read through it and make sure everything looked nice and everything like that. It didn't take much effort at all. The hardest part was like literally that. The rest of it is easy, because the rest of it is like shoveling snow. And yeah, shoveling snow is like hard and stuff, but it's a lot easier than making an ad and everything. And the hardest part, like I said, was the ad, which took 10 or 20 minutes. So really it's like getting rid of the fear of, you know, having people say no to you, or, you know, only like getting a few clients and whatever like that. But once you get over that fear, the work itself is so easy and so fulfilling, because it's when you get done doing the yard or whatever it is you're doing, you're shoveling that yard, and it's like when you get done, you feel a sense of accomplishment more than you would from a regular job. One, because you went out and you got the clients and customers, and two, because you get to see your work be done right in front of you, and you get to see the smile on their face when you're done doing it. And it's just like so much more fulfilling than working a job or whatever, and you know, maybe doing like some tasks, but they might not be like super important to you. Like, this is important to you because you created this and you literally went out and did this yourself. You didn't just go up and say, hi, hire me. You went out and you like put in some effort, put in some time, put in like the hustle and sweat in order to get it. And it's easier than you think it might be. I hope this video did help you. When you're making an ad, get into people's feelings, show how you're gonna help them. Secondly, you're gonna feel fulfilled doing it just because you created it. So I hope this video did help you. I'm gonna go for a little swim here, last day in Florida, so I'm gonna enjoy it a little bit. And I will see you on the next video. I hope you have a great day. Bye.